At least I've woken up the ladies in the audience who are clapping. मुझे लगता है कि बहुत सारे भाषण हो गए और अमित जी ने कहा 3 मिनट. मैं वादा करती हूँ कि 1 मिनट में समाप्त करूँगी. आदरणीय रामनाइक जी, my really close friend over the years, a very intelligent, glamorous lady, Poonam Dhillon ji. Clap. Of course, two very dynamic people who have put together this book, Amit Mehta ji and, of course, Vinod Sampat ji. And I think I'll avoid taking the rest of the names to save time, but all the dignitaries on the dais. I'd just like to say that in Mumbai city, the biggest dream for any Mumbaikar is that of a home. And I think this book gives us relief that even if you're conned, duped by a builder, by a SRA, you have hope, because not all lawyers are legal hawks who charge. Some are approachable and some think of society like these two gentlemen here. The fact that they have thought almost amounts to that some people constantly talk about thinking and how to go about problems. But in their case, it shows that it's not just about the problem, but it's about the solution. So I'd like to compliment both of them. And I'd only like to end by saying कि काम करो ऐसा कि एक पहचान बन जाए, हर कदम ऐसा चलो कि एक निशान बन जाए. यहाँ जिंदगी तो सभी काट लेते हैं, जिंदगी जियो ऐसा कि एक मिसाल बन जाए. और मुझे लगता है कि ये दोनों एक मिसाल बन चुके हैं आज. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. And I hope you all will have seminars where you call people to talk on the subject and you have an audience that is interested with problem-related issues that can be solved. Thank you for having me here.
Thank you, Saina.
Thank you so much. आपने ये जो धुन बजाई उससे शायद जो सो रहे थे जाग गए होंगे. Respected Ramnaik ji, all the dignitaries on the dais, I think we all are here for a particular purpose, and that is to actually give knowledge to people. And I think today, as Shaina said, home is something which is so precious to us. Each of us hankers for one thing, is the security of a home. And that is something we have to understand. Doesn't matter if the home is a one-room house or a palatial 6-bedroom house, it doesn't matter. Home is where sanctity, security, and comfort is. And I remember when I started working at a very young age, my first thrill and achievement was the first home I bought. And I think that is something which I cherish today. But I'm here today to speak as a common man who's often been, I would say, subjected to being cheated through various things. So the reason I'm going to just point out, I mean, this book which they've written, I had a soft copy of that yesterday, and I really must compliment them. The clean and, precise way and, a common man's language of understanding a problem, which Amit Mehta and Vinod Sampat have put it, I think it's a real treat and a boon they've given to the city of Mumbai. I think knowledge, that is what they have given us. Knowledge is the biggest weapon. If we arm ourselves with knowledge and knowing our rights, that itself makes us so much stronger to be able to face the problems. In a precise form, I'll just tell you quickly some of the problems I encountered in the last maybe 10, 15 years of being a person who's invested in properties. I have had a property which I totally have lost. I don't even know if I have a single paper of that, and that was by a very reputed builder. I bought something in Belapur many, many years ago, and something happened. They sold the property to the next builder. He sold it to somebody else, and in the bargain, I was the one who suffered it. Very recently, I had a property which I bought in 2005, and I was told that they'll give it to me in 3 years. So that was supposed to be 2008, and now we are in 2011, and still I haven't got the property, and besides losing a whole lot of money in interest and everything else what I've done, I'm suddenly in a position to be bullied by the builder who says, if you don't want it, take your money back. So, you know, you don't invest in a property after 8 years or 7 years to get your money back at the original cost. And we people who work hard for a living, I do not think should be subjected to that. So we need to be aware of our rights. We should be able to read our agreement properly, make sure that once we are not in a vulnerable position, the time when we are signing, because when we go to a builder to buy a property, they are extremely cordial, they're extremely nice, and you know, they kind of, I'm sure there are builders here who are not liking what I'm saying. I'm really sorry, but every builder is not bad, but there are grievances of people. If a person like me can have those problems, I can imagine how many more people must be having these problems. And at the end of it, I had to be subjected to new laws which came in, like VAT, which wasn't there when I bought the property. And I think a thing like a time commitment, because if we delay in payments, we are told we'll be paying interest, we'll be paying penalties. But the builders are not subjected to any penalty. Is that fair? If they delay a property by 6 years, and the right to information, they did not inform me, for example, that it was a slum redevelopment project. They did not inform me that there were 2 builders, or you know, it was a joint venture. And later they tell us we are also in problem because our partner put us through. I said, in my agreement, it never said there were 2 partners. I only came to you. So, you know, these are things which we get subjected to. So I think our knowledge being increased and enhanced is something which we should actually do that. We all live in societies. Sometimes we're even bullied by our own societies because you are one of the maybe 20, 30, 50 people. So the 2, 3 powerful people, they can bully you around because you don't know your rights. So I think this book is something which we all actually must read. It's in such a simplified way. And increase our knowledge, because without that, I think the word idiot means a person who doesn't have knowledge. So we don't want to be made idiots in today's world. So thank you so much, Amit and Vinodji, for writing this. And I would suggest, please cover all these things and give us a helpline maybe. A book is great, but if you can have a helpline where we can call and just get some basic information, that would be great. And a website maybe where we can post our questions and get answers. So in today's world, these 2 ways of connection, either on the helpline or on website, would be wonderful. Thank you so much for having me.
आदरणीय रामबाव जी, पूनम जी, शाइना जी, Kapil ji, my co-author Vinod ji, and all the dignitaries on the dais. I know it's a Sunday morning और थोड़ा बोर होता है लोगों को कि संडे मॉर्निंग में आके 15 जन का भाषण सुनना, सबको बोर होता है, मैं भी थोड़ा बोर हो ही रहा था बीच में। मैं रीडेवलपमेंट कन्वेंस पे ज़्यादा कुछ बात नहीं करने वाला हूँ। द रीज़न इज़ दैट मैंने ऑलरेडी बुक लिख चुकी है, तो जो भी करना है आप बुक लेके जाइए, आप पढ़ना, कोई रही हो तो मुझे फ़ोन करना, और सब चीज़ चार्जेबल है, नहीं ऐसा नहीं भी है। मैं खाली यही कहूँगा कि हाउ वी अराइव्ड दिस बुक, ये एक शॉर्ट इंसिडेंट हो गया, एंड दैट्स हाउ वी अराइव्ड दिस बुक। एक्चुअली देयर इज़ अ लैंडलॉर्ड हियर इन जवाहर नगर, जिनका और कोई टेनेंट्स लोगों का कुछ डिस्प्यूट चल रहा था। इनिशियली द लैंडलॉर्ड ऑल्सो न्यू अस एंड द टेनेंट्स ऑल्सो न्यू अस, और दोनों ने हमको कॉन्टैक्ट किया था। कुछ सब्जेक्ट मुझे पता था, कुछ सब्जेक्ट मुझे नहीं पता था, तो मैंने विनोद जी को फ़ोन किया, मैंने बोला कि ऐसे ऐसे इन लोग कॉन्टैक्ट कर रहे हैं। तो उन्होंने बोला कि अमित एक काम करेंगे, हम लोग रात को 9 o'clock पे कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल ले लेंगे, आप उनको अपने घर पे बुला लीजिए। तो मैंने सभी लोगों को मेरे घर पे बुला लिया रात को 9 o'clock और करीब करीब 1 hour वो कॉन्फ्रेंस चला। सभी लोग 7 जन बैठे थे, एंड वी आर एबल टू अराइव एट अ सोल्यूशन इन सम वे रादर देन गोइंग फॉर लिटिगेशन। वो हो गए सब, हमारे घर पे जो आए थे डिस्प्यूटेड पार्टीज वो चले गए, और फिर विनोद जी ने रात को मुझे फ़ोन किया और बोला कि अमित वाई कैंट वी डू समथिंग लाइक दिस, कि लेट्स राइट अ बुक फॉर कॉमन पीपल वेयर यू हैव बेसिक्स रिटन इन दैट एंड पीपल अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट इट, तो थिंक ओवर इट। तो मैंने बोला कि आई एम ओके विथ इट, मैंने ऑन द स्पॉट ओके बोल दिया। तो मुझे तो लगा कि भाई विनोद भी ने प्रपोजल दिया तो बुक तो वो लिखने वाले हैं, तो रात को तो मुझे बहुत ही बढ़िया नींद आ गई। अभी जिसके को-ऑथर विनोद जी मुझसे ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंसड है, तो मुझे रात को बहुत बढ़िया नींद आ गई। अच्छा, सुबह को बीइंग एक्सपीरियंस एडवोकेट, उनको पता है कि ये थोड़े जूनियर एडवोकेट से कितने कामचोर होते हैं। सुबह को उनका 8:30-9 बजे फ़ोन आया और उन्होंने बोला अमित अपना एक बात जरा रहना भूल गया, मैं जो आपको रात को कहना भूल गया। तो मैंने बोला क्या? तो बोलते बुक मैं नहीं, बुक तुम लिखने वाले हो। अभी जो उस रात अच्छी नींद आई उसके बाद आज तक अच्छी नींद नहीं आई है। और उन्होंने जो एक उसके बाद सेंटेंस कहा कि मुझे ये तेरा अमित फर्स्ट बुक है, मेरा 71st बुक है। नाउ यू इमेजिन what kind of experienced person with whom I am writing this book. तो he told me one thing that, you know, once you write this book, Amit, I can assure you one thing, तुझे subject by heart हो जाएगा. And honestly, I'll tell you, मुझे subject by heart हो गया है. पेज नंबर 1 से 118 तक क्या लिखा है मुझे सब याद है. And actually, I am thankful to विनोद जी because बहुत बार क्या होता है कि हम लोग कुछ ट्राई करते कि पास ऑन कर देना, लेकिन जब हम खुद करते हैं तो उसमें एक मज़ा भी और होता है. और मुझे ये विनोद जी ने अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया, ये मज़ा लेने की अपॉर्चुनिटी दी, इसलिए मैं उनका बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ. And I thank all the guests here who are on the dais, off the dais, Samir, Shashank, everyone, Arvind ji, and you know, who encouraged us in various ways. And thank you very much for all your guests for being here. Thanks.